On one quiet, dark night, I came home late to my house. The moon was big, so the house's garden was clear. I liked the quiet, but after a few seconds I heard ooh, ooh, ooh. I felt scared. I looked around. I didn't see anything. I looked up at the roof. I didn't see anything. I came into the house, but I still heard the sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I looked in front of me and saw our boots as they were. I took a breath and lay on the sofa in the living room. But suddenly again I heard ooh, ooh, coming from the kitchen. I ran there, but I didn't see anything. Just a broom on the wall, a spoon, and a bowl of fruit on the table. I felt very scared, so I spent some time reading the Quran. I felt safe and fell asleep. Now, kids, what do you think made the ooh, ooh, ooh sound?
In my room, I saw the moon, shining bright and big so soon. On the roof, I heard ooh, ooh, ooh. Was it the wind? I had no clue. I grabbed my broom, I grabbed my boot, and stirred my tea with a silver spoon. Then laughed and said, "It's just the breeze, whispering softly through the trees."
Who came home late? Who heard the scary ooh, ooh, ooh sound? How many times was the ooh sound heard in the garden?
How many boots did the man see when he came into the house? How many spoons were on the table?
Where was the man when he first heard the ooh sound? Where was the broom?